For today's easy recipe, we're making one of my favorite fall frosties, creamy and delicious maple buttercream. In a medium bowl or the bowl of a stand mixer, place 1/2 cup of softened salted butter. Mix on medium-low for 2 to 3 minutes or until the butter is nice and smooth and creamy. Now we're going to add 2 cups of powdered sugar, but I'm going to do this in 2 additions, and I'm going to mix until everything is just combined. As always, all of these instructions and the full recipe can also be found down in the description box below. Now I'm going to add in my remaining powdered sugar, and once again, I'm going to mix until everything is well combined. In total, this will take about 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of maple extract, 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup, as well as 1 tablespoon of cream. And you could also use milk. Now I'm going to mix this on medium-low for 3 to 5 minutes or until it's nice and fluffy. And make sure that you scrape down your bowl throughout each of these steps. This delicious maple buttercream is the perfect frosting for fall cakes and cupcakes. It has a nice, light and airy, smooth texture and a wonderful maple flavor. Transfer your frosting into piping bags and use it to top your fall desserts. If you have enjoyed this recipe, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe. And as always, thanks so much for watching.